that is how you wash your hands. Uh-huh. That's where you go eat? I see, and then there's a restaurant over here. Let me go see this menu. It's just such a pretty little ship. Okay. Such a nice ship. What you think? It's just so calming, right?
Yeah. Let's go, buddy.
Let's go see. Let's see what they have.
That's what they have.
Hi. Hardy.
Wait, back up. Let them go
Oh,
first.
wait. Go.
Let them go first.
I'm gonna walk this way. Food. Okay, chicken. Beverages. Hello. Beef Guinness pie, rice and beans. Do you guys see anything you like? There's some chips. Oh God, yes, thank you. So hot dogs and burgers, always a plus. Yum 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 yum. Oh, they have chicken tenders now.
Chicken tenders and fish fries?
Sorry. Oh, what are you getting? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Please. What they desserts.
Can you have one slice, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
blackened tilapia. Hi. Let's see. Hi. How are you today?
Let's see what we got.
Sorry.
All right. This is dinner. Day 3 dinner. What we got? I don't know. We got some green lentil salads. I don't know what this stuff is. Baby shrimp salad. Pasta salad. Nice. You got your desserts. Bam, bam. Got your desserts. Oh. There you go. Fudge. Oh, excuse me. All right. And over here. Oh. You got your fruits. You got your shepherd's pie. Baked potatoes. Evening. Pork skewers. Salmon skewers. Beef skewers. Oh, and lamb skewers, but it looks like they ran out. It's all good though. How's it going? All right. What you got going on over here? Live cooking. All right. There you go. You got your live cooking. Noodles. Say hello. All right. Noodles. All right. All right. Chicken nuggets. Chicken tenders. French fries. Hot dogs. Hamburgers. Turkey burgers. There you go. And then for the night, right? The main dish. Oh, what we got? We got some oxtail stew, rice and beans, Caribbean chicken. Oh, goat curry. You got some empanadas, beef patties, chicken and beef. Oh, okay. I see what they're doing. And what else they got over here, huh? You got some roti, some dal, some chicken curry, stir-fry noodles, vegetable kebabs, chicken marsala, oh, and some shepherd's pie. And then they even got some, what's that? Some jerk pork. All right. Oh. Italian dressing. All right. You got some cheese. You got some beef round top. Oh. Some pasta and some mashed potatoes. And what is this? Some chicken cordon bleu. All right. You guys want pizza? Oh, pepperoni. Fresh hot pizza, huh? Sit right here. Want pizza? What's wrong?
Lunchtime.
Okay, you ready for lunch? What you gonna eat? Pizza. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.